right, today we're gonna do. We've done Peeps before, haven't we? But not these.
Yeah.
We're gonna taste test these Peeps, and I'm gonna show them to you real fast. These are special ones. We've got cotton candy, party cake. I'll show them to you up close here. This one's interesting. Fruit punch. And last but not least, I don't like sour stuff, but sour watermelon. How about that? All right. This one here is the cotton candy. Chow. Think? Like it?
Mm. Pretty good. I've never had this, but it's actually really good.
And then we got cotton candy. Yeah. We don't have cotton candy, do we?
Which one is this? Party?
Then we got the party cake. Everybody partake of the party cake. Fruit punch. Fruit punch. Partake. It tastes red in it.
Mary, there's a bug on this thing. Oh. That's gross.
Then there's the watermelon. Check out the inside. Inside is a little pink. So that's supposed to be the watermelon inside.
Gosh.
It's sour. All right, folks. What do y'all think? Okay, the first two were good, and these last two were horrible. There you go. I didn't mind any of them.
It tastes like soap. Watermelon soap.
Watch this.
The green part kind of tastes like a green Jolly Rancher. It was in the pool.
I pulled a baby bunny out of the pool. All right.
I'm going in.
See you. Thanks for stopping by.